Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Knowledge is All. Which power producer of India has tied up with cement manufacturers across the country for supply of ash? Adani Power, Tata Power, NTPC, Reliance. Answer: NTPC. The National Green Tribunal (NGT) directed the Environment Ministry to constitute expert committee for which project? Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project, Bhagiratha Project, Kakatiya Project, Telangana Super Thermal Power Project. Answer: Kaleshwaram. Where is the second regional raw drug repository of National Medicinal Plants Board inaugurated? Varanasi, Ahmedabad, New Delhi, Mysore. Answer: What is the theme of this year's National Conference on Vigilance and Anti-Corruption? Healthy India, Powerful India, Vigilant India, Prosperous India, National Towards Anti-Corruption, Corruption-Free India. Answer: Cochin Shipyard has recently signed a MOU with its counterpart of which country? Italy, South Africa, France, New Zealand. Answer: Italy. KBIC has recently set up a Tusar silk yarn production center in which state? Gujarat, Odisha, Karnataka, West Bengal. Answer: Odisha. Who has been granted the 2021 Global Goalkeeper Award? Narendra Modi, Funzile Mlambo, Nkuka, Lema Gwavi, Alan Johnson, Sirleaf. Answer: Funzile. Which South Pacific Ocean country recently moved International Court of Justice regarding climate change? Fiji, Vanuatu, Australia, Papua New Guinea. Answer: Which entity operates Digital Sky platform in India? Niti Aayog, Reserve Bank of India, Directorate General of Civil Aviation, Ministry of Information Technology. Answer: Directorate. Which organization has developed an indigenous charger for electric vehicles named AC001? DRDO, ISRO, ARAI, CSIR. Answer: AR. Which state has recently passed a bill to ban online games of chance? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Assam. Answer: Karnataka. Who won the Lokmanya Tilak National Award 2021? Sanjay Gupta, Chris Poonawalla, Deepak Tilak, Adar Poonawalla. Answer: Chris Poonawalla. In which year was the APEDA Act was passed in the Parliament? 1970, 1985, 1980, 1995. Answer: 1985. Aadhaar-based eKYC, self-KYC and OTP-based conversion are a part of which reforms initiated by the Government of India? LPG reforms, MSME reforms, power sector reforms, telecom reforms. Answer: telecom reforms. B.R. Chaudhary is associated with which organization? Indian Air Force, ONGC, ISRO, Indian Oil. Answer: Indian Air Force. Which organization is set to conduct sailing regattas and sail parade to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Indian Army, Indian Navy, Shipping Corporation of India, Dredging Corporation of India. Answer: Indian Navy. Which ministry in association with UGC has organized a webinar on ensuring inclusive governance, making every person matter? Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Social Justice, Ministry of Women Development, Ministry of Education. Answer: Ministry of Education. Who is the chairperson of the recently set up 12-member committee for change in CBSE NCERT curriculum? Amit Shah, Bimal Jalan, Kasturi Rangan, Injeti Srinivas. Answer: Kasturi Rangan. Lake Tanganyika is shared by how many countries? 2, 4, 3, 5. Answer: 4. Which state has passed the Religious Structures Protection Bill 2021? Odisha, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Kerala. Answer: Karnataka. The Odisha Forest Department proposed to fit radio collars on which animals to eliminate animal-human conflict: tigers, elephants, deer, gharial. Transforming Food Systems for Rural Prosperity report has been released by which organization? UNESCO, FAO, IFAD, NABARD. Answer: IFAD. Justin Trudeau has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country for the third time? Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Canada. Answer: Canada. With which country India formally launched negotiation on Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement CEPA? USA, China, Brazil, UAE. Answer: National Single Window System for Investors and Businesses has been launched to achieve which of the following objectives? Single window for approval and clearance, claim of tax rebate, GST data entry, grievance redressal. Answer: single. What is the name of the COVID-19 awareness campaign launched by the Indian Prime Minister ahead of festive seasons? Jan Andolan, Bharat Andolan, COVID Jagruta, COVID Chodo India. Answer: India has recently come out with easing the rules for storage of which hazardous chemical? Sodium chloride, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, ammonium nitrate and calcium carbide. Which bank has committed a sum of rupees 30,000 crore lending in India towards sustainable financing till FY 2026? State Bank of India, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Union Bank of India. Answer: India is to set up a high-level monitoring committee with which nation to review projects implemented with LOC provided by India? Maldives, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Answer: Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.